Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from SurveyMonkey to Qualtrics with exports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Navigate to the survey you wish to export data from. Click on the Results tab located at the top of the page. Select Export from the options available. Choose the format you want to export your data in, such as CSV or Excel. Click the Export button to download your survey results to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. Now, open your Qualtrics account in a new tab or window. Select the project where you want to import the SurveyMonkey data. Click on Import Data from the options on the left sidebar. Choose the file you exported from SurveyMonkey. Follow the prompts to upload the file. Ensure that your data fields in Qualtrics match those in your SurveyMonkey export. Map your columns correctly if prompted, to ensure the data aligns properly. Review all mapped fields for accuracy. Once everything looks good, proceed with the import process by clicking on Import Data. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the import has been successful. Review the project in Qualtrics to ensure all data has been transferred correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to question types or formats after the import. Your data from SurveyMonkey is now successfully transferred to Qualtrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.